Ufasa is a consumer finance specialist that was founded in northern Spain in the region of Asturias in 1984 by a group of local industrialists who wanted to create the regional champion that would lend money to the people of Asturias, who typically had less access to banks than elsewhere in Spain, being typically locations which were more remote, which did not have enough size to be penetrated by bank branches, and in that context, Ufasa was founded. Over time, it has developed into a lender at the point of sale. The typical loan Ufasa makes is a 0% loan to somebody that's looking to buy a TV, a piece of furniture, or a household appliance. When we first invested in Ufasa, the size of the loan book was 50 million. It was a business that was profitable, which was something we really liked. It was a business which was very well capitalized with around 22 million of capital, which we also really liked. And it was a business that was very tightly run and very well managed by a management team that has been there for the last 38 years. But they lacked ambition and they lacked the ability to find sufficient funding at attractive prices to be able to deliver the kind of growth we would like to see in this business. The biggest challenge we face at Ufasa today is to bring a business from the 1980s that stayed in the 1980s into 2022, and for the business to be a modern business in the eyes of people of 2022. That necessarily entails bringing a huge technological revolution to the company, where we change the way we underwrite risk, where we change the way we perform operations, and where we transform the way we access the market, the way we source new loans. FSC is a tremendous partner in allowing us and helping us identify and implement the technologies that allow us to perform this transformation. Working with FSC on a day-to-day basis is an extremely gratifying experience. First of all, they understand financial services, which is our industry. And second, they understand how technology transforms the way financial services are delivered. For us, this is key in three different ways. First of all, technology is at the core of how we underwrite risk. And we have already finished in a record timing with FSC's support and help the transformation of our risk underwriting system from being 100% manual to being 100% machine driven. Second of all, it allows to reduce costs. It has allowed us to do this whole transformation. It has allowed us to triple the size of our business without adding a single person to our underwriting team. And third, it unleashes growth potential, not only from being able to scale growth without growing the back office, but also by allowing us to access the points of sale with the ultimate technology and deliver unparalleled service. The ultimate goal is for Ufasa to become the financial services provider of choice to the small and medium points of sale. We want to be able to deliver to those 1 to 5 people shops the same kind of service that the big multinational get from the big banks. This entails, number one, continuing to lend money to the customers of the point of sale so that the points of sale can make sales. It also entails lending money to the point of sale and advancing customer sales such that they're able to finance the working capital. And it will finally also include being a payments provider. When we hit that, we will have made our own space in the Spanish consumer finance industry. And at that point, we will be able to say Ufasa is an absolutely unique proposition, and it will be time to hand over to somebody else to take it to the next level.